Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is June 23rd, 2021. It is midweek of week number 25 of the trading year. This is week number 25. Markets are relatively flat, so let's go and do a trade. I'm going to try to explain this real quick. I'm thinking about selling my STZ, which is it's a bear company. Constellation brand, and I'm actually gonna pivot some of the profits from here. I made 12% profit, and I'm gonna pivot and buy more TruLieve. So I'm gonna move it from here to here. So I'll show you that trade real quick. And before I start trading, if you're on Facebook, join this Facebook group. This is called Investing 102, where you can level up your investment knowledge with other fellow investors. So join this group, Investing 102 on Facebook. All right, so here you go. I just loaded up my ETrade. The first thing I'm going to do is let's just sell this. It's down a little bit today. I'm okay with that. I'm going to do a market order. Here's the money. You see I'm going to have enough money to buy more shares of TruLieve. Here you go. Unfortunately, TruLieve is up right now instead of down. Earlier today, you see it would have been a little bit cheaper if I got in earlier. So actually, maybe the price is just wrong. Look, let me just hit refresh and make sure. Maybe there's something wrong with this. This is showing 85 cents down, but what I want to do is just get in 100 shares and you see the total cost. So let's do a buy. We'll do a market order. You do have to pay a commission on this. This is over the counter, so they do force a commission, and I'm okay with that. My plan is to hold this for a long time. They're profitable. I think they had at least 11 quarters or 13 quarters of profit, and I think that's going to continue, so I want to add some more shares to this. So I'm averaging up on this holding. Okay, and here's the latest update. The buy did happen right here just 2 minutes ago. I finally got TruLieve. I did sell it, so you can see that I'm basically moving the money from here into here. And then while I'm doing that, I did roll up my edit task over here. You can see that I moved it for more premium in the future, and you can see here, and I got 62 cents for moving it out. I am going to move it out a little bit more than I normally do instead of doing a week. Well, I did just add 1 week. So I added another week, collected another 62 cents, but I'm moving it up, and I don't know, is it because it's uptrending? So one of the things that I try to do is you can still move up and out and collect the net credit if you do it before it goes in the money. So that's what I'm doing. You can always roll back down if you're too far ahead and there's not enough premium in the future. So let's see what else I can do next. I'm just going to show you what I end up doing. I'm going to scroll back down to the SPY here. You see on the SPY, what I end up doing here was I finally did roll the untested side up. You see the date. It was just updated recently. And if you go into my history here, hit the view all, you'll see this. So real quickly, what this is going to tell you is I rolled it up $5 in strike price, and I collected another $18 or $19 total. It was very little. It was probably only $8 per contract times 3 minus all the commissions. So I am doing this to just improve my odds and try to make some money as that thing winds down. This one still has 30 some odd days left before expiration, but that's what I'm doing. I'm just managing these positions. So those are the trades that I'm going to do today. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know if this helps you. Let me know what type of videos you want to see. I might even do a trade just for you. Comment below, thumbs up, share it with a friend. As always, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day. Bye-bye.